want clean, filtered water for you and your family? The water entering your home can often contain a lot of horrible contaminants. Chlorine, metals, and pesticides, just to name a few, even traces of pharmaceutical drugs. That's where AQUA CREST comes in. We offer filters that provide filtration for every household appliance you could think of. AQUA CREST filters use scientifically proven technology to remove these contaminants and provide cleaner, better tasting water. AQUA CREST by EcoLife is a reassuring and hassle-free way to provide freshly filtered, clean water throughout your whole home. AQUA CREST. Better water, better life.